An important but often overlooked aspect of games is the settings menu. Most of us just make a volume slider and a texture quality dropdown and call it a day. But in most games, the player has the ability of changing the control of the game, the language of the game, the screen resolution, and much more. With this asset, even the most basic of games can have these complicated settings. Plus, this asset comes with the ability to translate your entire game in different languages, so you can affect a larger player base, and the code is clean and well documented. You can get all this for only $6.99 free shipping. It is recommended to read or to file the comments left in the code. This asset has a lot of complex features that are not immediately feasible.